If you are looking for a crunchy, creamy, tangy macaroni salad for your next cookout or gathering, this Amish macaroni salad is a tasty choice, and it will be the first to vanish. Welcome or welcome back. I know that you're going to like this Amish macaroni salad recipe, and when you do, you hit that thumbs up. If you are new here, hit the subscribe and also hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. Also, have us a comment down there. How do you like this recipe? How similar is this recipe to your macaroni salad? What makes Amish macaroni salad different? Follow along with me and I will show you how to make this irresistible Amish macaroni salad. The very first thing we need to do to start our Amish macaroni salad is to bring to a boil 4 to 6 quarts of water, and we're going to want to salt your water. You will add 2 cups of elbow noodles, and you're only going to cook this for about 9 minutes. You want it al dente. Once the elbow noodles have completed cooking, you will want to remove this from the heat and rinse them in cold water so that you can stop the cooking process. This Amish macaroni salad has loads of fresh veggies in it. This is the crunchy. You cannot have Amish macaroni salad without some hard boiled eggs and some dill pickles. We're going to throw these in too. I like all of my vegetables as well as the pickles and the eggs. I like them chopped fine. You can chop yours any way that you want to. That's the way I like mine. Now that all of our veggies are cut up for our Amish macaroni salad, you might be asking yourself, well, why is Amish macaroni salad different from any other macaroni salad? What makes it different? Guys, it is in the dressing. The dressing in Amish macaroni salad is tangier. I'm going to show you how to put it together. You will start by taking 2 cups of mayonnaise. We're using Duke's. It's got the twang. 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon pickle juice, 2 tablespoons mustard. You can use yellow mustard or Dijon. To balance the tanginess, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. This will not knock all the tangy off of this, but it will give it a delicious flavor. And black pepper to your liking. And give it a good whisk. Grab a large bowl and put your cooled elbow noodles in it. Add a 1/4 cup of pickles, a 1/4 cup of red pepper, a 1/4 cup of celery, a 1/4 cup of green pepper, 2 tablespoons of grated carrot, a 1/2 cup of red onion, and 2 tablespoons of parsley, and 2 eggs. Pour the creamy, tangy dressing over your macaroni salad. Now give it a quick toss to coat all of the macaroni, all of the veggies. Look at how beautiful. Look at those colors shining through. Look at how creamy that is, but not goopy. After this is all mixed up, I like to add a little bit of paprika to the top for the color, but also because of the flavor. And then stick it in the refrigerator for 1 hour or overnight. That was one irresistible bite. The creaminess of that Amish dressing, the tanginess, the crunchy of those fresh veggies. Guys, you have got to try this one. This will be a perfect side dish at your next cookout or any gathering. I hope that you will try this Amish macaroni salad in your home. I hope that you like this recipe. And if you did, you give us a thumbs up. If you are new here, subscribe and hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. And until next time, you guys take care and God bless.